I got this Craftsman, probably stickly, 100-year-old chair, and I really love it. The only problem is the original leather is starting to wear, and there's a little crack right here or a cut, and I don't want it to get any worse. Eventually I'm going to do a total repair, hopefully on this leather, but that's going to take some research and time. And this is a chair that I use on a regular basis. So I think I've got a temporary fix that I can put in place that will allow me to use this chair before whatever period of time when I get to the ultimate repair. So let's go to a top-down shot and get into the quick fix. Here's the seat cushion, and this is why I'm thinking it's original. I think there was an old seam there that's kind of given out over time. These nails have been put in place. And this is just a detail that you don't typically do on a repair, not easily. I'm going to take some gaffer's tape, and this stuff is super sticky. People use it to run cables and then put on carpeting, and I'm going to just take these tweezers and just slide it in there on both sides and just put that in place and then press down on it. And it's sticking to the leather. Push it down. That should be like a little bit of a suture to keep them from pulling apart anymore. Putting stress on here. There's lines here, lines here. And if anybody knows how to repair a seam like that, please post in the comments below and I'll try it out. The next layer of protection I'm going to have on this is I've gotten some sheet grippers, the things that you can hold on corners, and a towel that kind of matches to some extent. Run them up like this, and I want to just grip on both sides. I've already given this a test run, so I know it's going to work. Push down, there. Originally I just put the towel in and it just slid right out on the leather. And I'm coming a couple inches in on the side so that I have a fairly consistent pull across the whole end of the sheet. Now if you wanted to tighten this up, you certainly could. That protects the leather. I've had this actually on for about 3 months now, and it's worked great, but I just wanted to share it with you. Is this perfect? Is it beautiful? It's certainly not like the leather here, but it's going to protect for the amount of time that I'm going to use it before I ultimately fix it. These sheet grippers come in packs of 4, so I'm going to actually use 3 straps this time for the next couple months. Gaffer's tape. This is great to have around your house. It's relatively cheap, but its uses are just absolutely incredible. I'll post the materials for this repair down below, and now it's just a matter of putting it in place. Now I can use this chair and not worry about damaging it anymore until I can ultimately repair that leather. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home repairs, furniture repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.